Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, I am Samantha, and I'm coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2015. The weather in the village of Schaumburg is currently 43 degrees. We're expected a high of 55 and a low of 36, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
John,
David,
Sarah.
Ion.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Pirates beat the Cubs 8-1. The Orioles beat the White Sox 8-2. Clubs meeting today are 3rd grade photo club in room 104 at 3 o'clock, and after school sports club at 3 o'clock in the gym. Today is Pizza Thursday. Come down to the front hallway and get a slice of pizza for $2. Fifth graders have been learning about drum circles and world drumming ensembles, from different countries. They then had an opportunity to create their own drum circle. Check out one from Miss Nordstrom's class.
Hi, my name is George. Hi, my name is Nufa. Hi, my name is Natal. I'm Miguel. I'm Jamaica. I'm Josh. And we're blank.
Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Good morning, Hoover students and staff. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. You can see that I have a couple of special guests here. At this time, I'm going to turn it over to Sarah.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I am from Mr. Harrison's class. We reached our goal of 50 green tickets.
Hi, my name is Ion. I am Miss from Miss Candelosi's class. We reached our goal of 40 green tickets. We reached our goal by showing good manners.
Awesome. Good job. Remember, good manners go a long way. A couple of reminders. Tomorrow is I Walk to School Day. We are encouraging everybody to either walk, ride their bike, a scooter to school. We're trying to reduce our carbon footprint by having fewer people drive their cars to school. So either take your school bus, walk, ride a bike, have someone carry you. I don't know, maybe it'd be a good day for a piggyback ride. But we're trying to reduce the pollution going into the air. So we will have staff members and people from the village of Schaumburg out. For those of you that are walking using a good mode of transportation to reduce pollution, you'll get a special pencil. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that honeybees have hair on their eyeballs? The honeybee's eye is made out of 1,000 little lenses. From lens Each line has a hair that stands out from it. The hair helps the bee determine the flight speed and wind direction. This week, pre-podcast pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by Room 212. Have a thunderously thrilling Thursday.